me stuck tuning at the shop. But Lad's got a race set up between his truck and a Jeep. You can't see it right now, but it's got a 427 with a Kenny Bell supercharger on it. And it's about to get real. He's icing her down. Look at this guy making a big old mess.
I don't have my drain pipe.
Hey, you better win this one, pal.
I know, I got to.
Got to. Represent Fasterproms.
You were asking me about changing tires soon. I didn't. I should have.
Told him to put my daily driving tires on there, but he didn't want to mess with it. Now he's got the old mud grips, all-terrains on there. Oh, got a little ice packs in there, huh?
I have ice pack too.
A little stinky little fella.
Bruiser conversion. LS3 Whipple. This isn't a 427 build. Beautiful install.
Pretty clean, man.
I got some work to do on my Jeep.
It's gonna be a big job.
40-inch tires, 1-ton axles. Real similar to what we're gonna be doing. Mine's gonna be a little bit more rock crawler. We can knock out this high dollar Jeep.
Supercharged LS versus supercharged LS.
5362.
All right.
1900, 2900.
So these things make about similar power. To an 8.29. We got Georgie coming up here.
Got the two-step set pretty low. I wasn't gonna use it, but I'm gonna use it.
You gots to.
Got to. And hopefully it don't wheel hop or break nothing.
Nah, man.
I don't want to drive a smart car home.
Ooh, uh-oh. That didn't sound good. Mustang went 696. Dude, this thing leaves like hard, man. Holy crap.
860 foot.
Holy crap.
Did it 80 at 85. I mean, so I've been 7.8 at 89. I'm sorry?
That's a that thing's an animal. That is a sleeper. I bet against that something that was a mistake.
Ran a 7.8 at 89 miles an hour before. Got a 1960 foot. That's not bad.
That's pretty
I think we need to cool it down a little bit more and come up on the converter some more.
Okay.
16960 foot.
Wow. Heck yeah, let's see it. Dude, it looked good out of the hole.
The 1-2 shift was really bad, but I mean 91.8 mile an hour, 779.
Dude, when you did your burnout, one tire stopped spinning and it started making some really angry noises.
Felt really weird. Seriously?
Yeah. I was like, oh man, don't break it.
I wonder if I should make another pass or not.
Of course you should. Pretty good.
Dang, dude. So we were done at the track because I think I might hurt my truck. But we came back to the shop and we put the tires off of my daily. Them dub deuces. Laz over here got the real bro truck now, dude.
Not my style.
Not your style, but hey, it looks, dude, honestly, it looks really cool.
Chrome headlights,
Chromed out, dude. It looks so good. So we got like 30 minutes. We're going to try to go right back to the track and make a hit, see if it goes any faster. These tires are only like an inch and a half smaller, shorter.
Only 2 pounds lighter.
And only 2 pounds lighter than his freaking mud grips over here. You're letting air out, right?
Yeah, it's got 40 in it.
Dang, that's my gas mileage pressure. Oh, I'm so excited right now, dude. I'm pumped. Dude, I love how it looks. I really am. It looks so cool. You might just have to keep these. I put these on Quicksilver. Barely made it in time. You might be able to get 2 passes, but there she is, buddy. I think it does better with the big tires on there. Oh, and it's stalled out. Damn, dude! 797. Picked up 3/10 with a little tire swap. Yeah! Back in the 7s, baby! 1.8 to the 60. 797 at 86 mile an hour. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. He hates it so much, but I love it. Yeah, buddy! Better run a 780 this time. Dude, it actually shifted really good.
Yeah,
I heard the 2.3 up there, up top, but
did good. I was right there. I was right on his foot.
I know, dude. I know, dude. It was ripping. Oh yeah, she's ready. Oh, he's about to gap this barrel.
Well, guys, I'm super pumped with how Laz's Silverado performed. I mean, Laz has less than 10K, including the price of the truck and all the mods. He's done everything on a shoestring budget and has worked out so nicely. Now, that Jeep, on the other hand, is like a $150,000 build just on that part, plus the cost of the Jeep. Friendly rivalry, you know. They're friends of ours, and they're local. They're right down the street, literally on the same street as us, and do very similar stuff to what we do. If you guys are not familiar with Laz's build, we started with 184 wheel horsepower. We literally tripled the power of Laz's truck over the course of a couple episodes there, after going at heads and cam and then the LSA blower. Now, ICT Billet was a huge contributor to this setup. Anything that you want to LS swap, ICT Billet has some absolutely awesome parts for that project. And George's truck, on the other hand, was a turbo kit that came off my Tahoe that I gave him for Christmas, at a 67mm Magnum turbo, and it has gotten a lot faster with the help of Circle D Specialties. Now, that converter has helped that thing go a lot quicker, and we're really pumped about that. Now, the next day we did a collaboration with that racing channel over at Showtime Speedway, and we pitted all sorts of different vehicles versus one another. If you guys are not familiar with that racing channel, check them out. They've got an awesome group of guys, and their editing skills are absolutely off the chart. Before we get back to that, I wanted to say thank you guys so very much for your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to do what we do and bring you guys content like this. So please check out our hats, t-shirts, lanyard stickers, and we got a new shirt as well, and it looks absolutely awesome in person. So thank you guys for doing what you're doing. Keeps us doing what we're doing. Let's get back to it.
Oh yeah.
Like door to door until like 3rd gear.
Dude, you can't tell from here.
Yeah,
It's just, it's crazy. That's really cool, man. That's really cool.
I mean, I don't think it was more than like half the truck.
Yeah, if it was closer, I think you'd start pulling up top on me.
Yeah.
Dude, awesome.
Dude, from a dig, we need to record that from a dig.
We can do it.
Because it would be like finish line, I would just get them, I think. Or just be there, because we both ran the same thing.
Yeah, but you got a better 60-foot.
Cooper doesn't know, but he wants some of this. Either one.
I have no idea, I guess. I'm ready.
Come on.
I should have brought my freaking truck up here. I didn't know.
Kind of, you're right there on the totem pole. I figured your car
she's
should
right
be
there. Just the way GM made her. Ready to go.
Laz going up against a little Cadillac here, old wagon.
Same blower.
Yeah.
It's got a bigger motor though.
I think we got it. You about to get got. Ooh.
Him and George is gonna be an awesome race.
Well, we gave it the old college try.
Tried.
Hey man, it rides out though. See if I can get some redemption. Yeah.
You took him out.
Okay.
All right. I'm undefeated, actually. Technically. We'll have to watch that BMW race back, but it was close. I'm telling you.
Cooper was on the throttle about a second and a half before Malik and was leading by about a car and a half to begin with, and then Malik ended up putting about a car and a half on him at the end. What has this thing trapped in the quarter?
Like 128, I think, is the best it's ever been.
And it's had some heat soaking issues off and on, but you solved them, right?
Yes, it definitely still gets hot. I mean, it's stock cooling system
Yeah.
with a car with a pulley, so you just know there's heat issues.
Yeah.
It's kind of a tease to race this car after the Camaro.
Yeah.
It's just
Still a fun daily though, for sure.
Oh, it's great daily. Track car is not ideal. Don't pay attention to that wobble in the front end. There's some kind of bushing blown out. Cadillac stuff.
Guys, it was great to have Cooper come and hang out with us. Awesome time. Now, guys, next video I'm so pumped about. Cater Tot takes on the world. 9 and 10 second cars, and actually turns out to be so much faster than we even realized. I mean, I knew the car was fast. I didn't think it was that fast. Usually my butt dyno is pretty good, but I kind of underestimated it just a little bit here. Now, both Laz and George have daily driver trucks, and these guys really put it on the line. I mean, they could break something at any time, and they'd probably have to drive the smart car home. It's not something they want to do. It's kind of like a pride thing. They want to risk it, but they don't want to drive the smart car home. We wish we could have had the Crown Vic available. Unfortunately, we had some problems with that, as well as our blue Corvette that we just got done. Next time we do this, we should be able to have both cars join us. Man, that blue car should be right in the middle of the pack with Cater Tot, and the Crown Vic should be right there with George. And if you guys haven't yet, please check out Cooper Bigetti's channel, as well as that racing channel. The TRC is going to be having their video come out in the next couple days. It is going to be awesome. All right, recently I was kind of thinking about, certain milestones that I have in my life. If I just got to this, or if I could just get past this, or I got to wait until this happens. Certain milestones in your life. And it kind of hit me kind of like that movie Click by Adam Sandler. We want to be able to get to the next level, and really, we're most moldable, we're most teachable in that time of waiting. In other words, the waiting is the journey. I've also kind of heard it said in a different way, in that life is what you do while you're waiting to die. It's kind of in those moments where God can do the most work in your life. I wanted to leave you with a song, and this one is one of my personal favorites. This is a perfect blues song, and that is Red House by Jimi Hendrix. If you guys haven't listened to it, it is classic blues, and it has a fantastic punchline at the end. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless. See you next episode.
So apparently part of my grass is malnourished, but certain areas have been enriched by dog poo. She missed the ball. Pete! Chicken, let's go get it. Come on. Pete! Pete, it's right there. We get it by the time I get there. Yep.